Before your first scan, please visit the official website and navigate to Support, download and install the Revo Scan 6 software. Connect the scanner to your computer using the USB-C to USB-C cable. When the scanner indicator light turns solid green and the software indicates that the scanner is connected, you can start scanning. Install the tripod and scanner. Adjust the tripod height as needed. Extend each leg section to the same locked position to avoid any instability caused by uneven height. Connect the scanner to your computer using the USB-C to USB-C cable. Power on the turntable using its power cable. Then you can start desktop turntable scanning with the turntable and scanner. Mount the battery grip onto the scanner. Connect the battery grip to the scanner for power. Find the Wi-Fi network named POP4 Revo XX in your computer's Wi-Fi list and connect. Then, open the Revo Scan 6 software. When the interface shows the scanner is connected, it's ready and you can start your scan. POP4 supports mirroring the PC screen to your mobile device via the Revo Mirror software for easy control. See the Revo Mirror tutorial for detailed instructions.